factorize and solve this problem. Let's first take note of what we have. In this problem, A is equal to 6 and B is equal to 5. C is equal to minus 6. And of course, I'm getting this all from the form ax squared plus bx plus c. So what I want to do here in factorizing this is recognize, first of all, this is a scenario where A is greater than 1. So there are rules in how we handle this, okay? So A is greater than 1. So this is what we do. We first find AC, which is A times C, which in this case is 6 times minus 6, which is minus 36. And what I want to do here now is I want to find two numbers that multiply to give me minus 36, but add to give me the middle term, which is the B term, which is 5. So I'm looking for two numbers that multiply, give me minus 36, and add to give me positive 5. So 6 and minus 6 do multiply to give me minus 36, but they don't add to give me 5. But a 9 and a negative 4, those add to give me 5. So what am I going to do with that? I'm going to come here and I'm going to say 6x squared plus 9x minus 4x minus 6. And what I want you to watch is that 9x minus 4x is 5x. So all I did was rewrite 5x as 9x minus 4x. So I did not change the problem. Once I do that, then I could group. So if I look, for example, right here, I can factor out a 3x. So 3x, and this becomes 2x plus 3 minus 2, and this becomes 2x plus 3 minus 2 times 2x gives me back minus 4x, minus 2 times a positive 3 gives me back minus 6. So I've factored correctly here. Now I'm going to factor out of 2x plus 3 from both of these terms. So I have 2x plus 3. Here I have 3x minus 2. Now I have factored this, and all I have to do now is equate both of them to 0. So 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 and solve. 3x minus 2 is equal to 0 and solve. So here I get 2x is equal to a minus 3, hence x is equal to minus 3 divided by 2. Here I have 3x is equal to 2, hence x is equal to 2 over 3. And there you have it. We factored and solved.